Hi friends, good morning. So today we'll concentrate some of the other thing in our interview point of questions. So I want to cover something that is what is package. So what is package? Already we know something about this, but we need to discuss it clearly. What is package? So what is package? Simple way, the package is nothing but it's a package is collection of classes, collection of classes once multiple classes and maybe interfaces which are related this combination we can say as package. So the package which is this is, so the purpose of this package is, what is the purpose of this package? To improve the, so if we use this package, improve the performance of application. We can improve the performance of application using this package. So this is, but here in this package there are there are two types of packages are there. So normally in Java and not in this Android, it's normal in Java. There are two types of packages are there. So those all are, one is predefined, one is predefined, other one is user defined. So what is predefined and what is user defined? In that word only it is saying that it's a predefined. Predefined is nothing but the package which are available as a part of Java software, means as a part of Java. These all are available as a part of Java or Kotlin. Any language it should be Kotlin, Java or Kotlin, it should be there. But what is the use of this? Means if you use this predefined, like we already seen some programs when we are importing that means OS bundle like this. Just I'll show you simple example here. So if in this class, if we are writing this Java, just I'll open this Java here. See here, in this, these all are the predefined only. Because this already predefined, we are using this. These examples are like in our case, these all are the examples for this. These all are the examples for this. Import Android OS bundle means that should be coming from the Android OS. So those all are from Android. Like same in Java, some packages. So those we called as a means predefined. So user predefined means we can utilize those packages. If we utilize these packages, what is advantage? It can reduce your button. Means like, see, I want to write this button widget. Simple example, button. If I'm writing this, if I import this one, instead of writing lengthy code of this button related thing, I'll write minimum lines of code, then I can utilize this. So that is the main advantage of this. This is about this predefined package. Like same user defined. How this user defined? So the package we can create, which we can create, that we can create a name of something that we can create. So that we can create, like I can create Tom dot Raj dot something XYZ, like this I'm creating. So this is user defined, means either you can create your own package or you can utilize your existing packages. Both are possible here. So that is the advantages of this. So but if you create that also can we import? Yes, if we create one package, that also we can improve. That already we, whatever examples we are discussing on YouTube other videos, there are the same kind of thing are there. You can go through that. So that, but normally when we are writing this package name, there are few rules are there. So what are the rules for writing the package? So rules, so that rules are here. Rules, minimum 2 words, minimum 2 words, minimum 2 words, and minimum 2 words, and with with dot separator, dot separator, and dot separator means must ensure it should be minimum two, means minimum one dot at least, com dot, rash dot at least, like that. But how we can write this? Normally com is, everyone will use the com. Then after that dot, here we'll write company name, because company name should be unique. Then after this, here we'll write this application name. Like this, everyone will follow the standardized way of this. So, but package declaration and this are very, very important. This we can utilize in a normal ways. It's a very, very important thing. If we can utilize this in a most of the cases, we need to write our own instead of this. Means every program regularly we use that one, and here we can use these things. So this is about this package. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates, and a clear overview and description I'll give you in a description. Please get the details from there. Thank you.